Here I have OPPO A54s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, tap here to enter its settings, and then go to the watermark. Here you can enable device model and also date and time watermark. And now every photo you take will be marked with the watermark like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.